Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram white screen problem. So if you are also facing the problem that when you open up your Instagram, your screen is becoming completely white or completely black, then in this video, I'm going to show you a few possible solutions to that problem. So the first thing you can try out is try to update the Instagram application. Open up the Play Store and search for Instagram. If Instagram has an update, try to update the Instagram application because these kinds of problems can be caused by simple bugs that are in Instagram. So if you update your applications, it is possible that the bugs can be fixed. Try that out, and if this does not work, you can try to offload the application of Instagram. Tap and hold the Instagram application and then tap on app info. This is the settings section of Instagram. Now to offload the application, you can tap on clear data and clear cache. You can also clear the data of Instagram, but before you do that, make sure that you remember the email address and the password to Instagram. It will also help to fix any kinds of problem that is causing this issue.